Hey everybody, I wanted to make a quick video tutorial to show you how you can set up your own alternative to ChatGPT in just a couple of minutes. Currently the platform and the API aren't working, and so if you're reliant on this stuff for your work and it goes down, it can be pretty frustrating. So it's nice to have this option to create your own fallback using other models or other services. OpenRouter is a really good option to route your API calls through, which talks to a bunch of different models in the back end. So that way, if one of them goes down, you still have one that you can rely on, or a whole bunch that you can rely on. So I'll show you how you can set this up pretty quickly using the LLM Toolkit plugin that we've built. So the way that I'm going to do this is first I'll just change the theme of this page to dark. And all you need to do really is put a data container on here from the plugin. That's this element right here. And this will control some of the actions like the streaming. So I'll make the layout of the page a column. And basically all you need is an input box to enter your prompt and then some text to see the response coming back, like a text element. So we'll do this here, and we'll set its source to be the data container's current message. And so that'll be what streams into your app. So we'll say data containers current message. And let's just add a multi-line input. You could do either a single line input or a multi-line, doesn't really matter. So we'll put multi-line input right here. So I won't bother making it pretty right now. I'll just show you how to set it up. So, and then we want a button to send off the request. So that's basically all you need. And we'll call this, I don't know, generate. And in here, we can type whatever our message is. And so we'll set up this workflow. Chat completion is the action we want to call. Chat completion streaming, this one. And there's different ways that you can do this, but for now we'll just put the multi-line inputs value in here. We can hard code our model here, or what we could do is put a drop down and let the user select a model. But for the sake of this, I'll just hard code it, and we'll say Google/Gemini Pro. And this references specifically a model on OpenRouter, so I'll bring those up. So on this page here, openrouter.ai/docs/models, you can see all the models that they support. Here's Google Pro 1.5. So typically it's like the service or the company / whatever the model is. And you can use any of these through the plugin. And we can leave most of these blank just for the sake of the demo. So down here, I'm going to plug in an API key from OpenRouter, and I'll say use OpenRouter as yes. And over here, you can, under openrouter.ai/settings/keys, you can generate a key. And call this demo2. We create this, take this API key, and we can stick it in here. And that's basically it. Now we have a sort of alternative to ChatGPT if it goes down. So let's take a look if this works. And in here we can say something like, suggest 3 startup ideas. And we click generate. And you can see we've got this streaming interface. So that took all of 2 minutes. So I just wanted to make this in case you happen to be in the same position I am, that you rely on ChatGPT for your work like every day, and if it goes down, it's frustrating. This gives you an option to basically create your own fallback, or to create a fallback for your users. If you have a platform that uses OpenAI in the background, if it goes down, you don't want all your users to be out of luck, so you can have sort of fallback using a different service through OpenRouter. So hopefully this was helpful. Leave a comment and a like, subscribe. Thanks very much.